it's Rini, and this is Amelie from Bismai Shandong Machinery. Today I want to introduce to you our mini digger. Okay, let's go. Okay, have a look for our mini digger. And let's see the diesel engine. Diesel engine is Yanmar engine and hydraulic system imported from Japan. German resource main pump, large displacement load, sensing hydraulics. And the imported waterproof connectors and super flexible hose. The key parts adopt cat steel structure and tail screw machine structure, turning radius 640 millimeters. The standard is steel tracks. This is the front box bulldozer. It's very stable. And this machine makes digging depth is 1,911 millimeters. Okay. Let's see the tracks. Is a Shantui World Class 4-wheel belt. And 8-ton 2-speed travel motor. Hidden design is safer.